let me ask you a question. I got a triangle. We'll call this triangle CAT. I got another triangle over here. We're going to call this triangle
GOG.
GOG. Good.
Cat and dog.
Excellent. You guys are sharp. Let's suppose I know that AT is congruent to OG, the original gangster, and DG is congruent to CT, and angle T, notice I can use only one letter there because there's only one vertex there, is congruent to angle G. You with me?
What can I
Okay.
title this lesson?
Lesson.
I need a title.
Lesson cardio.
4.5.
I love math.
Okay, but I'm not gonna put down a lie.
Okay.
I don't know why that was. Oh.
So don't write down Emmett's a kind person. See what I did with that? What can you conclude?
You know?
What's they? I hate pronouns.
Triangle CAT and triangle DOG.
Triangle CAT is congruent to triangle. You sure got the order right there, Sparky?
DOG.
DOG?
DGO.
DGO.
Yeah.
No, it's God.
It's you had it right. It's
He had it right. I was just checking to make sure. I got in his head.
It's not dog.
Don't get it, buddy.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Okay, you
Oh
know,
The
my
T
gosh.
corresponds to the C, they all correspond to the A.
Yeah.
You can't-
Why?
spells dog.
Because of SAS.
SAS, correct. Okay, you with me?
Yeah.
That's old stuff. Now that we've established that the triangles are congruent, what else can you tell me? What are you counting to two? Emily.
DO and CA are
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh. DO and CA are congruent. You got anything else for me, Emily?
oh, I know.
Oh,
Morgan.
angle D is congruent to angle C.
I like it. And?
Angle A is congruent to angle O.
Beautiful. We use 3 chunks of information to prove that the triangles were congruent. In this case, we use side, angle, side. But then once the triangles were congruent, we know that the other 3 things that we didn't use also have to be congruent. Okay? That's a theorem and it has a name. That theorem is called CPCTC.
What?
Oh, great.
CPCTC.
Is that San Francisco?
No, I just threw a bunch of letters together. Randomly pick some letters. And
Okay. Oh, great.
Congruent, paracongruent triangle.
Correspondent.
That's what it says.
You know that makes a
Congruent triangle.
Coolio.
Oh, dang it.
Corresponding parts congruent to
What's in it?
no triangle.
Congruent triangles.
Center.
Coolio.
I do like acronyms.
Con.
yes, I threw the word Coolio in here.
If you add an extra C, you can.
Yeah, and the next is.
Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So we use 3 of those 6 parts to prove the triangles are congruent. Once the triangles are congruent, then everything in the triangle has to be congruent. So if I use side, 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 I will then know that all the angles are congruent. Now, the thing to remember about CPCTC is, number 1, it does not prove triangles congruent. Does not prove triangles are congruent. Exclamation point, because one of you chuckleheads is going to go and do that. We only have 2 ways to prove triangles congruent right now. What are they?
SAS and SAS.
And SAS.
Right. And SAS. What doesn't work?
Ass.
Right.
Or
Sad.
Sasa.
Sad.
Oh my god. Side angle.
Second thing, it must follow a triangle congruency statement. You can't use CPCTC if you don't know the triangles are congruent. Okey doke?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
No, this is second.
Is that what you think?
Can you make this a second?
Sure, I'm not going anywhere.
Nope.